Quick Facts series.
Hello, curious minds. Welcome to the Quick Facts series, where we dive into the exciting world of knowledge. My name is Dr. Curious, and today, we have some amazing quick facts that will make your brains sparkle with curiosity. Let's kick things off with science. Did you know that the Earth is like a giant magnet? It has a magnetic field that helps compass needles point north. So, when you are using a compass, you are basically tapping into Earth's magnetic superpower. Now, let's travel back in time for a history fact. Ancient Egyptians used a writing system called hieroglyphics. Instead of letters, they used pictures and symbols to tell stories. It's like they had their own secret code. How cool is that? And now, let's zoom into the future with a technology fact. Did you know that robots can be our friends? Some robots are designed to help people by doing tasks like cleaning or even assisting doctors in hospitals. Imagine having a helpful robot friend around. Now, let's set our time machines to history. Did you ever wonder how people communicated long ago? Well, before phones and computers, they used carrier pigeons. These birds delivered messages by flying from one place to another. Pigeons, the original text messengers. And now, let's fast forward to the world of technology. Did you know that the first computer mouse was made of wood? It's true. Imagine navigating your computer with a wooden mouse. Today's mice are much smoother, but it's fun to think about the wooden beginnings. Did you know that the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can weigh as much as 200 tons? That's like having 25 elephants in one enormous whale. Now, let's travel back in time with a history fact. Ancient sailors used constellations in the sky, like a map, to navigate the seas. Imagine steering a ship by following the stars. Talk about celestial navigation. And now, let's surface for a tech fact. Submarines are like underwater spaceships. They can dive deep into the ocean and explore places humans have never been before. Deep-sea adventures await. What a fantastic journey! If you enjoyed these ocean wonders, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun facts. Stay curious, little oceanographers.